He's coming up. I can hear him. So we either surrender and not get our asses kicked, or we do surrender, or we don't.
We just quit right now?
Well, he's gonna shoot us. Unless he surrenders us. Or we could just camp here and hope no one comes up. Do you want me to get right there?
Yeah.
Okay. See that guy right there? He's coming up. No.
That's over there. That's way over there. That's your fault. If he comes, just light him the fuck up, whether you die or not. I'm hiding my hands. I don't want to get a super shot. Let's go! Oh fuck.
You might want to bail.
Ready? Set. Shit. Guns broke.
Get up!
My gun's broke.
Your gun's broke! Bail! Charge! Oh.